Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Edmonton, Canada. And today I wanted to show you how to use the Awesome Otters stamp set. It's a Sale-A-Bration stamp set, which means you can get it for free. If you spend $60, I believe this one you could get for free. It is a stamp set that you would have to color in, so you're gonna have to choose the medium you want to use for that. I usually do watercolor, but today, because I have Stampin Blends and I haven't really showcased them a lot, I'm gonna color them in and show you how to make a really quick card with this set. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna need a note card. I'm just gonna make a really small card today. So this is gonna be a 1-layer card. So you're just, actually it's going to be 2-layer because we're going to stamp the otter onto a separate piece of paper. So I'm just going to grab that actually. Yeah, so I'm just going to stamp him first. That's the first thing we're going to do. And there he is, mounted on. They're really cute. So I'm using MEMENTO, and MEMENTO is a water-based ink, so when you're using alcohol markers, you want to use water-based ink so that they don't mix and blend. So I'm going to stamp him just down here, like that. And then I also have his birthday hat that I'm also going to stamp. And we'll just put that like this. Oh, actually turned out quite well. Okay, so we'll just put that to the side. I thought I would have to stamp it and then cut it out like 2 separate pieces, but I think that's okay. We want to make this as easy as possible for you. So I'm gonna start with these ones to color his body. This is gonna be for the inside, so this part, and this one's gonna be for the outside. I just want to let it dry for a minute, just so that we don't smudge anything. And then we'll start coloring. Actually, maybe while we're waiting for that to dry, I'll do the background on my card base. So it's going to be really easy. I'm using 2 colors. I'm using dark balmy blue and light night of navy. So I wanted to start with, yeah, let's start with the light night of navy. And I'm gonna use the brush side. And literally all I'm gonna do is just color on here back and forth. Just like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the other color. They'll look really nice together, I think. And then again, I'm gonna do this color. Just like that. So that's gonna be my background. And then I'm just gonna set this off to the side now. Just leave it there. Put my glue on top of it to hold it down, and then I'm gonna color in my otter. So I'm gonna do the light part first. And sorry if you can see my head, but I'm just gonna go in and color his belly. Now the great thing about these markers is that they don't leave streak lines. So once you're done, the colors all kind of blend together. Okay, so there's his belly. And then we're gonna do his body in the dark brown. So this is bronze and this one is ivory. You get these 2 in a set together, which is kind of nice. I think it's like before the skin tone ones came out, this is what they used for skin tones, I believe. but those skin tone ones do look really nice. I haven't had a chance to pick them up yet, but I probably will. And honestly, you don't have to be the best artist to use these, just because those lines do disappear, and that actually really helps. Okay. Oh, I almost forgot that hand. Okay, there. I'm just gonna get really close to his eye there. I might kind of just go over these lines a bit. There. It's cute, right? Okay, now I'm gonna grab my colors here again, my blues, and I'm gonna do his hat. So I think I wanted to do it in, sorry, which one is this? Light Night of Navy. Okay. No, I wanted the other color. Sorry, guys. Gets confusing sometimes. Okay. And I'm going to use this other color here to do the inside. I'm using the fine tip just so that I don't wreck it. And then I'll do this in the dark. Or sorry, this is Light Night of Navy, not dark. Okay, so there's my otter. Isn't he just so cute? Okay, and now I'm gonna cut him out, and I'm gonna kind of make this part go quicker just so you don't have to wait through the whole thing. All right, there we go. So we're all done. See, it wasn't too hard. I'm just gonna move some of this garbage here to the side. And then what's gonna happen is he is gonna go right onto here on dimensionals like that. And on the bottom, we're gonna get crazy and stamp the greeting right here. So I'm gonna stamp It's Birthday Time. Just give me a second, I gotta clean this off. Actually, my otter too, I haven't done that yet. You guys, if you don't have one of these, they're great. It's called a chamois, and all you have to do is wet it, and it cleans your stamps for you. Like super well, like it doesn't leave any ink residue. Oh, looks like there's some extra skin on this one, so I'm just gonna cut it off. Not skin, but you know what I mean. It's like the residue from the stamp. Okay, so we're just gonna put that on a block. Actually, I'm gonna turn it over and then put it on, just so I can line it up right. And it's gonna go right there. So what color do you think I should use for that? I think I'm gonna use blue. I'm gonna use Misty Moonlight just because I have it out. Okay, so we're gonna ink that up. And some people would probably do this on a different piece of paper so they get it straight, but I'm not really too concerned. There. So it says it's birthday time. Exciting, right? And then we're just gonna put our otter on dimensional. So I'm just gonna get my big ones out. And we're gonna turn them over. okay? And you know what? I might get the little ones and just put one there and one. No, I don't need another one. That's good. Okay, so then just peel off the backings and put them on exactly where you want them. I'm happy with right there. Just like that. Isn't it so cute? And the background just looks so perfectly blended together because of those blends. Yeah, that's it. It's a very easy card for you today. You can do this in so many different colors depending on what kind of blends you have. Anyways, okay, so that is my super easy card. I hope you guys like it and I hope you give it a try. If you do like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back next week to show you something different. If you have any questions, also just drop it in the comments below and I will get back to you. Take care and have a good weekend. Bye.